This is how you turn screen time on or off on your phone. Find your settings app, tap on it to open it, go out all the way to the main settings area, scroll down until you see screen time. Tap on that, tap on app and website activity. Now we have to enter our screen time passcode. This is different than the PIN code used to unlock your phone. Here, you turn on app and website activity, shows you some information about it. Tap on turn on app and website activity, and now it's going to show data about your phone and what you've been doing on it. And if we scroll down, there's lots of different data you can see in here. We have our family set up in here as well, which you can easily do. Your family will not be able to simply go into their screen time settings and turn this off. If you are the person who set up their screen time settings, they'd have to be deactivated and turned off or adjusted on your device. They can't do it on theirs. You can also lock screen time settings, meaning nothing can happen. And that's what required us to enter that passcode there. So even if they did find this section on your phone, if they don't know that passcode, they can't adjust their own screen time settings. And you can tap this button down here to turn off app and website activity, which basically means the screen time information. I'm not going to turn that off because I like using it. But something to be aware of with screen time is it can drain your battery pretty fast. Right here it says updating, and it's gathering information about my activities on my phone. And historically, for my phone, that updates roughly every 1 minute. So it's a lot of updating. It can drain your battery. One of the really interesting features I just wanted to point out before I wrap it up is the screen distance. If you turn this on, you will get notifications when your phone or iPad thinks you're too close to the device, which could cause eye strain. Using the Face ID functionality, it can see how close you are. That's a pretty neat health and safety feature that's only available through the screen time settings. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird, but it's pretty important, so check out that video.